welcome to Life is Beautiful vlog. Nearby the airport, the photography and videography was not at all allowed. We have already onboarded to the flight and now this is early morning. You can see outside.
Takeoff and landing. Should you wish to leave, please use the light in the panel above. Our Hello 6E9.
We are traveling from Hyderabad. So Hyderabad to Port Blair will take time around 2 hours 15 minutes. We have actually group package. This journey is to Andaman and Nicobar Islands, 5 nights and 6 days, and countless memories waiting to be made. If Andaman has ever crossed your mind, I'm gonna share with you my experience in this video, and which might help you to understand how to make the plan and what to do exactly in Andaman. So, my package cost was around 40,000 INR per person, excluding flights and few meals. I always prefer booking flights on my own, searching for the best deal. I am traveling from Hyderabad, so my flight cost was 7,000 INR per person. And here is a small but very important tip. Book early, because early bookings often get you direct flights to the Andaman. If you delay, most of the options turn into connecting flights. Now look at this view. Flying through the clouds always feels unreal for me. And for me, holiday doesn't begin after reaching to the destination. It begins the moment I step out of my home. That's why I enjoy every second of the journey. Even though I'm a frequent flyer, this feeling never fades. I still choose the window seat. I have a craze to choose the window seat just to watch the clouds, the sunset, the sunrise, the rain drift by, and admire the real view of every city. Every flight feels like a new story for me. And while I'm sharing all this with you, oh my god, look at these islands. Andaman Islands from the sky look straight out of the dream, almost like Maldives. I do have a bittersweet story about Maldives. My honeymoon plans there were cancelled. A different story altogether, but that story for another day. Right now, this moment matters. This is the aerial view of Port Blair Airport, known as the Veer Savarkar International Airport. As we slowly descend, I can see the city, the locality, and those calm blue-colored houses from the above. Sometimes for the real aesthetics or military preferences, given the significant naval presence. Port Blair Airport is a defense airport. This airport renamed as Veer Savarkar International Airport, and we can feel the discipline and the tight security as we land here. And just like that, I have arrived in Andaman. Yay! We are getting feeling of Thailand vibes because last time we have visited Thailand and we got similar kind of facilities like from the tour managers. Yeah. We got the similar car. You remember after reaching airport?
Yeah, we got at that time we got ICU.
Right now it is 9:36 a.m. and we have already reached Port Blair. Blair Airport is restricted. You cannot click a photo or videography is not at all allowed outside or nearby the airport, right? Right now we are heading towards the hotel, right? After reaching hotel, we'll just freshen up, we'll just chill out and we'll have a lunch and then we'll start our journey.
This one, yeah, this one.
Oh, we have already reached. It's so nearby. Temperature is quite hot as this is April, but I see not that hot what I expected. Not AN, car registration number is AN, starts with AN. You thought it's Arunachal Pradesh.
What?
Arunachal.
Is Arunachal. No, not right now. We saw an Indian car in Hyderabad. So I thought it is Arunachal Pradesh car.
AN is Andaman Nicobar.
Yes.
Nicobar.
State code. When are you ready?
So I guess we have reached the hotel. So this is our room in Port Blair. So here we go. No. So we have already checked in to the hotel. So this is our day one. Our day one plan is right now we'll just freshen up. We'll have our lunch here. And we'll be visiting the Cellular Jail today. That's a historical place, and in the Cellular Jail there will be light and sound show. That also we are going to visit. So let's roll today.